When you learn to coordinate your bow with your finger movement, sometimes it becomes difficult because what is happening here, you tend to make the same motion here. Now we are working on a simple 2-note change within the context of legato. It is here. That 4-2, that sol fa, G, F, is giving us problems. It's like that. First off, the fingers aren't lifting. And second, it's not connecting. Something is going on. At first, you should have your fingers trained. Now there is something happening that you don't see, which you will see just in a moment. But I'm lifting my fingers quickly. That's what I say, lift your fingers quickly. Yet the bow is not going to match the speed of the fingers. Your fingers on cello are usually going to move at a speed much quicker than your bow. But it is natural as a human being to want to match the speed of the movement of your left hand with the speed of the movement of your right hand. So this is a common mistake. It's a slow lift, and you get those sounds. And what is happening is I'm moving my finger. I'm lifting my left finger, and I'm moving my bow at the same speed. And when you learn cello, you learn to divide these speeds in your brain. Fast and quick here, firm, like little hammers. Yet here, it is gentle, it is supple, and sometimes it is much slower. Bow is moving slowly and gently. The fingers are doing this. So back to our example here in Suzuki Book 1, the minuet in C. Those 2 notes after the string cross is the goal. So first we train the 4-2. Make sure you can play your 4-2, lifting those together. And I best suggest you to slowly move your bow until you play 4-2 above, until you can lift that finger and you're more aware of this sudden lift of the 2. Notice I'm not even looking at the bow, and that's what you should do too. This should become a gentle movement. This is a quick movement. Because if you match the speed of the 2, not only will you not use enough bow, but you will also lift your fingers too slowly. So keep this fluid. And it's easier with separate notes. It becomes a challenge with your legato notes. So the training is, place your bow, try just a 2-note legato, see if that works, and use a lot of bow for this. And if it's better, try 4 to the bow. When you are ready, try 3 of those changes to the bow. Did you notice what's happening? The bow is going slower and slower, but the finger speed remains exactly the same. 4 note changes to a bow. the more you can put 5 to a bow. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a good exercise. Play 1, play 2, try to play 3 to a bow. So let's see you try it, and hopefully you will play this better.